So have you heard of clean meat? It's the latest craze in the food industry, and some big-time players like Tyson's Chicken are investing in it. But some are questioning if this meat meets standards. Our Bria White asked the experts.
When we're growing clean meat, you're just growing the meat that you want.
Basically, scientists can now grow specific parts of the animal, like just the chicken breast or ground beef. And they do that by taking the cells from a living animal.
We can make the cells in that biopsy think that they are still in the animal's body and have those cells grow into real, actual animal meat.
It's the same technology that's being used in the medical field to repair organs. And experts say in the long run, this clean meat could help with lots of problems like hunger and global warming.
99% less land, produce 96% fewer greenhouse gas emissions, and over 90% less water to produce the same amount of beef.
You've seen the videos. You know animal cruelty exists, and it's another reason that clean meat advocates are pushing for the meat. They say animal cruelty could become non-existent, mainly because you're not actually raising the animals to slaughter them in the first place. But this new meat has been met with some opposition. You see, back in February, the Cattlemen's Association, they filed a petition.
We want them to think of this. We don't want them to think of a laboratory. We don't want them to think of something that's created under a microscope.
They're asking the Agriculture Department to stop clean meat companies from being able to call their products certain terms, like beef or meat.
The reason we want to use the word meat is that we firmly believe that this is a piece of meat.
The CEO of Beyond Meat, Ethan Brown, thinks the clean meat has the right to be called just that, meat.
We are hitting all of those key points of composition.
For years, clean meat has been science fiction, and now it is science fact.
Bria White, WUSA 9.
So the question is, will people eat it? In 2014, a survey asked people if they would, and only 20% said yes. But just 3 years later, that jumped to nearly a third of people saying they'd be willing to eat clean meat regularly or as a replacement for traditional meat.